Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Let's open this up and take a look at what's inside. This model features a sleek, redesigned form factor. It's clean, modern, and built to look great on any exterior. The quick-release battery pack makes recharging simple. Remove it, charge via USB-C, and snap it back in. Or just swap it out with a new battery. No tools, no hassle. A universal mounting plate and full hardware kit. A corner kit, included to give you more flexibility in positioning the doorbell for the best possible field of view. A nickel-silver faceplate, a setup guide, and a security sticker. If you want a battery-powered Ring doorbell with a powered-up camera, this is it. Installing Battery Doorbell Plus is straightforward. Download the Ring app if you haven't already. The app is going to walk you through scanning the QR code on the back of your device or on the setup guide. Mount the universal mounting plate, drill your holes, then screw the plate into the wall. Line up the doorbell with the universal mounting plate and press it until you hear it lock. Then tighten the security screw at the bottom. Insert the battery and you'll have a live Retinal 2K view of your front door. When it's time to recharge, simply remove the quick-release battery pack, charge it via micro USB and snap it back in. No need to remove any hardware from the wall.